Welcome to my channel Easy Way of Learning Chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn the types of electrolytes and also electrolysis of acidified water. First, let us learn about the types of electrolyte. Electrolyte is a solution which we are taking for the electrolysis. There are three types of electrolyte. What are they? Strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte and non-electrolyte. Strong electrolyte consists of the particles only ions. Weak electrolyte consists of the particles both ions as well as molecules. Non-electrolyte consists of the particles only the molecules. First, let us learn about the strong electrolyte. The strong electrolytes example is all strong acids and all strong bases and also the salt of all strong acids and bases. It allows large amount of electricity to pass through it. If we connect the strong electrolyte with the circuit and the bulb glows very brightly. What is the reason? Because the strong electrolyte has only the ions. So all the ions conduct the electricity and the bulb glows very brightly. Here is an example, potassium chloride. Potassium chloride, all ions conduct electricity. Next, weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte example is all weak acids, all weak bases and the salt of all weak acids and bases. It allows only small amount of electricity to pass through it. Weak electrolyte, if we connect this with the circuit and the bulb glows very dimly. The reason is the solution contains both the ions and molecules. So from the solution, only the ions conduct the electricity. So the bulb glows very dimly. The example here, acetic acid solution. Next, non-electrolyte. Non-electrolyte example is distilled water, alcohol, kerosene, carbon disulfide, cane sugar, benzene, glucose and urea. Non-electrolyte does not allow the electricity to pass through it. They are the non-conductors of electricity. The same like strong and weak, if we connect with the circuit and bulb, what's your observation? The bulb doesn't glow. Why the bulb doesn't glow? Because the non-electrolyte has only the molecules. The molecule does not conduct electricity. It contains only the molecules. Here is an example, ethanol. So it does not conduct electricity. Let us learn the electrolysis of acidified water. Actually, it is an electrolysis of water. For water, we will take the distilled water. So that's a pure water. Pure water is a non-conductor of electricity. It's a non-electrolyte. So how to conduct the electricity? We have to add the acid in the water. So that water is called acidified water. So acidified water we have to take in this apparatus and connect with the circuit, anode, cathode. So if we close the circuit, the concerned ions will go to the concerned electrode. There are three ions, H plus, SO4 and OH minus. There is only one positive ion that migrate towards cathode and in the cathode the hydrogen gas is evolved. So your observation is pop sound when a burning splinter is brought near to the gas. In anode there are two ions are migrating, SO4 2 minus and OH minus. OH minus ions will be discharged there and oxygen gas is formed. The observation is it rekindles a glowing splinter. In this electrolysis of acidified water, there are some important points. First one, dilute sulfuric acid is preferred. Instead of other all acids, we prefer only the dilute sulfuric acid. What is the reason? The reason is the sulfuric acid is a non-volatile in nature. It will not evaporate easily. So we are preferring this dilute sulfuric acid. Second point, electrolysis of acidified water is considered as an example of catalysis. So I have already told water is a non-electrolyte. It does not conduct electricity. So we are adding the sulfuric acid. So in this place, sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst. So this reaction is called electrolysis of acidified water is an example of catalysis reaction. Next point, why do we add sulfuric acid in water? So without adding sulfuric acid, can't we do the electrolysis of water? Definitely we cannot do the electrolysis of water without adding the sulfuric acid, because the pure water is a non-conductor of electricity. So we cannot do the electrolysis. Okay children, I hope you all understand. If you understand this video, like the video, subscribe this video and share to all your friends. If you have any doubt, you write in the comment section. Okay children, bye.